Introducing Yomper Plus, power assist device for wheelchairs. The Yomper Plus is compatible with most rigid or folding wheelchairs. It only requires a mounting bracket below your wheelchair. This simple system transforms most wheelchairs to become an electrically assisted wheelchair. It's easy to install with two small wheels at the front, and a raised handle allows you to easily attach or detach from your wheelchair. It's easy to handle. The combination of its innovative positioning in line with the rear wheels allows you to perfectly maintain the dynamics of your wheelchair. The Yomper Plus will enable your clients to live more independently and achieve their goals. We welcome you to book an appointment today and see how easy and simple this little device is to use.